Welcome to the final part of our series on The Latte Factor by David Bach. If you've followed this journey, you now know that building wealth doesn't require a lottery win, a six-figure salary, or complex stock strategies. It starts with small daily choices, automation, and the right mindset. Now in part 4, we bring it all together. The title of this chapter, and perhaps the entire book's most powerful message, is Live Rich Now. Let's begin. What does it mean to live rich now? It doesn't mean you should spend recklessly or retire tomorrow. It means living a life that feels rich in purpose, in peace, and in freedom, starting today, not someday in the future. David Bach emphasizes this. Most people live in a constant state of when-then. When I earn more, then I'll save. When I pay off debt, then I'll start investing. When I retire, then I'll travel or be happy. But here's the truth. When is a myth. If you can't find a way to feel rich today with what you already have, it will never happen, even if you double or triple your income. So how do we begin living rich now? Step 1, get clear on what wealth means to you. Wealth isn't the same for everyone. For some, it's early retirement. For others, it's the ability to travel or spend time with loved ones or start a business. What's your dream? Ask yourself, what would I do if I didn't have to worry about money? What gives me energy, meaning, and joy? Write down your answers. These are your values, and they should guide every financial decision you make. Step 2, align spending with values. We're often told to stop spending, but Bach flips the script. He says, spend on what matters most. Cut the things you don't value, like that mindless online shopping, subscriptions you forgot you had, or daily expenses that bring zero joy. Then, reinvest that money into what truly lights you up. Maybe it's a trip with your family, a course that unlocks your next career move, or simply building a cash cushion to give you peace of mind. That's the Latte Factor in action, transforming small changes into big life upgrades. Step 3, make your someday goals happen sooner. Too many people push their dreams to retirement, but as Bach shows through Zoe's journey in the book, most dreams are more affordable and more accessible than we think. Zoe wanted to travel to Paris. She thought it would take years, but by saving her latte money, automating her finances, and prioritizing her values, she got there faster than expected. Ask yourself, what's one someday dream you can turn into a this-year goal? You don't need to wait. Start small, start now. Step 4, teach others. This part is deeply personal. One of the most powerful ways to solidify your own financial growth is to teach what you've learned to others. Talk to your kids, friends, or even your social media followers. When you share your journey, your mistakes, your wins, and your mindset shifts, you not only help others, but you reinforce your own growth. Now let's recap the 3 big lessons from the Latte Factor. As a whole, 1, you are richer than you think. The money is already there. You just have to find it, reclaim it, and redirect it toward your future. 2, small amounts over time create big wealth. Even $5 a day, when invested wisely, becomes hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. That's not hype, that's math. 3, you don't need to earn more. You need to spend with purpose. The key isn't more income, it's more intention. Align your spending with your values and you'll feel rich even before your net worth grows. Here's your challenge. Today, look at your spending and ask, does this align with my values? If not, redirect. If yes, enjoy it fully, knowing you're living rich now. Final thought, the Latte Factor isn't really about coffee. It's about reclaiming control, it's about freedom, and it's about the courage to say, I am worth investing in. Thank you for being part of this journey. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And if you want to go deeper, the full book is worth every page. This is M&K Investment Insights, and remember, financial freedom isn't someday. It's today if you choose it. See you in the next video.